Hey skinnies, I'm not dead yet. I still have a channel. So, guess what we're gonna be doing? I went out of my way, got out of my house, out of my home, out of my humble abode, out of that. And I went to the store, and you know what I got at that store? Well, let me tell you, because you probably don't know. I do. I got a wig. And yeah, I'm gonna wear it. And we're gonna... And we're gonna transform. And you guys are not ready. So we're about to get into it. We're about to do what we do, because that's what we do. And you guys are gonna live for me. And this is gonna be so skinny. So, get ready.
Ready?
Ready? Let's go. Brows are on. I have one eye prime because I'm gonna do one eye on camera. Let's catch up. Let's have a talk. I feel like we haven't talked in a while. And I have a lot to update you on. So, hi. I have been doing nothing with my life. Not sad, but it's not surprising. I'm not thriving. And that's sad, but life is taking its toll on me. I'm upset. But I did snap for prom, and we can't just not talk about it like it didn't happen. I kind of stepped on a few necks. I kind of did my thing. Like, the skinny in me jumped out, but the skinny in me is always out, but it jumped out to another extent. It leaped out, you know? Let me just insert some pictures. I'm gonna insert right here. We'll get into it. Sickening now. It was kind of everything. It was really kind of everything. Like, I kind of did what needed to be done, you know? No one else was gonna do it. So I needed to step up and do what needed to be done. And I said what I said. But girl, there was an issue with the belt area. I, being me, very stupid and slow, I didn't think to get high-waisted pants. I don't know why I didn't think about getting high-waisted pants, but I didn't get high-waisted pants. I'm going to have to live with that every single day for the rest of my life. Like, that was the only issue. Everything else was on point. Alright, it's time to cut the crease. Let's go. But yeah, the outfit was pretty good. It wasn't, you know, like a spectacular or anything, but it was a nice outfit. It was really well put together, and I was happy about it. It took a lot of time and a lot of work, a lot of hard work and time, and cash, I'm gonna be honest. It took a lot of that too. And I made it work out at the end of the day, so that's all that matters, and I'm very happy about that. And that is one eye all done, and I'm gonna do the other one off camera, and I'll be back in 1 minute. Voila, vraiment. If you guys do not know, there has been a monumental change in my life. I'm a blonde, and I don't know how I should feel about this. How do you feel? Let me know in the comments below.
I like you too, bye.
How do we feel about this? Because I don't like it. I think I look stupid, but it's too late now.
No.
I look crazy. And that is not okay. Well, time to do skin. I can't. It's hot. Are you guys still there? You guys didn't see that. Cut! time for the Anastasia. Get into it. In style, glided. It's about to glide across these lips. We good. And here we are. And I hope. Wait, there's one more thing that I'm missing. Let me go get it. Hey guys, my name is josheira, and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's having a good day. If everyone's happy, and guys, this is the transformation. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You can follow me on Instagram at josheir. You must follow me on Instagram, because if you do not follow me on Instagram, do you know what I'm gonna do?
I'm gonna come to your house. On the porch of your house.
So you might as well just follow me on Instagram right now. Thank you. Also, I wanted to give a quick shout out to Norvina. I'm so happy. Ooh. And I'm so happy and so thankful and so
Grateful
that you thought I was talented enough and you saw something in me that I didn't see in myself. And you believed in me and you was like, we need this, we need him. So yeah, I do receive little, well, not little, but I do receive PR and stuff from like an associate. So I'm so thankful for that and so grateful, and thank you guys so much, and I love you all the most. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you are subscribe to the channel. That's really it. That's really all I gotta say. Oh. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, skinnies. I love you. Mwah.